Hey, this is Dr. Lindsey, Wendy.
You forgot my name.
This is Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, where we're going to do a combo video. This is a whole family. And so this younger fellow, he was a class 5, maybe class 6 hair loss, and we did him a couple years ago. And then we did a second case on him. So here he was at the beginning, and then here he is now. His second case is, I think, 5 months out, so it hadn't fully grown in. Then almost a year ago, we did his dad. Here he is before, and here he is now. And 5 months ago, we did his uncle, who's older and has bad heart, and we had to get clearance to do it. And here he is before, and then here he is at 5 months. And so they all were going to come up Thanksgiving.
We're doing one of the...
We're doing the aunt in February. And so they all came up from southwestern Virginia, where my people congregate, and the uncle shows up on time, and the dad and the son succumbed to peer pressure and bought a Tesla, and they ran out of charge. And so they didn't get here for 2 days, and so I came in on a Sunday and we did this little video. All right, man, so I worked on your dad.
Yeah.
After we did you, and your picture's up to your right, and then we did a second case on you 6 months ago, a little under 6 months ago. Bend over just a little bit. And 6 months with fine hair. That'll look 50% better come 13 months. Chin back up. Have I been up front with you? I guess so, because you brought your dad and your uncle. But
yeah. No, I've done 2 now, and everything's been awesome. Yeah, just gotta be patient.
And how much did it hurt?
It didn't hurt really much at all. You fill a couple shots, and after that, it's not bad. And then you take it easy for the week, and then you're ready to get back to work.
And did I try to talk you into anything?
No, okay. You were straight up front with me and told me what I could expect.
And how old are you? I can't remember.
I'm 29.
29. And
yeah.
So, how has this changed your life? Anything good or bad, or what?
Yeah, definitely more confident. Don't have to wear a hat all the time, and it's well worth the money.
Okay, man. Thanks for your business. All right, you father and son, stand a little closer together. All right, and I got your before pictures up between you. Have I been up front with you any kind of nonsense?
No, not at all.
Okay.
No, straightforward.
And your dad's brother's been here, and he's older, and
he's 12 years older, yeah. So
and we're soon gonna get his wife, so it's a whole family deal.
Okay.
Well, I appreciate your business, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
We appreciate you for being awesome. So,
they were just a very nice family.
They are. They're sweet, yeah.
I think the uncle's going to turn out okay. He had a limited amount of hair. I think the aunt is going to do fine, so we'll get some pictures of the uncle and the aunt for the future. The dad, he's roughly my age. 1 case and done is enough for him. So I think,
he looks good. Yeah.
And the younger fellow, he's gone from being pretty bald to having a good coverage of the front 2/3 of his head, and he has gotten confidence from it.
Did you see him?
Yeah.
I think he looks like he's walking up straight. And he's even like bulking up too. He looks really good. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's fun to work with a bunch of people in the family. We've had 5 or 6 sets like this, and it makes for a good video. If we can help you, give us a call.